Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys haven't seen it, I have been doing on Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics channel, I've been doing what they call YouTube Shorts videos. And they're basically, if you've never heard of YouTube short videos, they're basically like TikTok videos. They're supposed to be 60 seconds or less. They're supposed to be vertical in their display. And so I thought, hey, that's kind of cool. Why not give subscribers, viewers on my channel just a taste of something short that they can enjoy. So if you guys see me upload shorts, it's going to be, again, 60 seconds or less. And it will definitely be cool because it's going to be just that concentrated, whatever that project is. It's going to be that, if it's just this forklift going up and down, lifting something, just so that it's, not this long video, but something short that you guys can enjoy. So if you guys see a hashtag shorts, or if you just see that it's 60 seconds or less, it's going to be Mr. Hino's shorts video of something robotics that's really cool. Okay, guys? Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. I want to address a comment that I got from somebody, a viewer. They said, Mr. Hino, why do you, or they don't understand why I upload the same videos. So I want to take some time to address that because I think it's a fair question, and I think if you guys have the same question, I can answer to all of you guys. So at the moment that I'm recording this video right now, I have 962 videos on my Hino Lego Robotics channel. And so when you think about all those videos, there's going to be repeats because I teach robotics and there are certain projects year after year, we do the same project. I wish I had enough time to have a different project every single year for every single class. But a lot of times we have certain favorites, and sometimes I just don't have the time to introduce a brand new project every single day, or every single week of every single year. So it's a fair question, and I apologize for some of you that might look at a video and go, wait a second, he did this 3 years ago. I apologize, and what my answer or response was to that viewer was, I said, I get new subscribers every day, every week. And some of them are brand new to the channel and maybe they didn't see it 3 years ago, 5 years ago. So it's just something that I think that if you're a brand new viewer, they might be like, whoa, that's cool. I've never seen that before because they haven't seen all the videos in my channel. So I apologize for those of you that have been with me for the longest time. You're going to see some repeat videos. And I apologize if you're sitting there rolling your eyes like, oh my gosh, is he doing that same video? But I'm doing that because my students, are doing those projects. They've never done that before. And so what I want to do is, again, showcase that for the new viewers that haven't seen that project either. So I just wanted to make a long story, hopefully short, and just say, I apologize if you're looking at videos going, I've seen that, been there, done that. I apologize. But, I just uploaded the quadcopter, and I've only done one other quadcopter video before, and there's lots of views on it today. And so obviously there's people that are still interested or maybe haven't seen the quadcopter or other projects before. So I'm just letting you guys know, yeah, be ready to see some things that you haven't, see things that you have seen before. And if you have seen it before, I'm going to always try to put a new twist on it, give you maybe a different angle. So just throwing this out for you guys today, and hopefully you'll still watch even though you've seen it before. Okay, guys? Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all my viewers. Even if you, say, hey, I've seen this before, I still appreciate you and hope that you still watch, okay? All right, guys, I'm Mr. Hino. For Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics, I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.